All right, crude had a wonderful 11-day rally right into today's latest EIA, which took us to a couple points of interest. The top of this node here, 5170, which really was the start of the breakdown, which happened at around 5230. We were looking for a possible continuation move up to 5222, and you can see that node right up in here, but that was really all we thought coming on this move. So we were selling into the news, and so far the market has sold off about 60 cents. It got as high as 51.86. It's 51.23 right now, and it was a pretty big sell. You can see the volume here, bigger than anywhere except for the buy that happened right here. So it looks like whoever was buying back here on the 22nd has exited the building and is sitting with a nice fat $5.50 profit. So we'll see, but we're way out of value now. Value begins at 50.30, and the point of control right now for the past month of trade is all the way back here to 48.50. So I'd say we needed to clean up some of this profile up in here. You can see it was sloppy, but we weren't very likely to get over 52.50. And to me, right now, that is the story with crude. That's where we are. Matter of fact, this low here at 51.30 is right back to where we're sitting right now, and you can see that goes all the way back to the early part of February. And if you pull back to the year, again, just 2017 trading, so a little over 3 months now, you can see the value zone up here. We're coming right to the big chunk of it, really, where it broke down from. So this is natural. I would have expected this, and matter of fact, you see this the breakout of that bracket there took us, if you mirrored that, $2.58 gets you to 52.22, and that's why we said that number this morning, and that's really the base of the value zone here. That's the big start of the base there. So a big move here from 47 all the way up to 52.50 is a huge move, well over 10, 11, 12, 13%, somewhere in there. And it took a long time for that to play out. A couple EIAs and a couple pushes on that 47 node. So now I would say after the rotation higher up to this area, probably you can back against that 52.50 to 53.25 zone. Probably not just gonna. The easy money's been made to the long side, and you can probably look for fades from this point on, and that's why we were looking to be short into that. So that's it. Look for a move lower. First move would get you down to the low 50s, which is still $1 below us. The week, excuse me, the 2 week point of control is still way back here at 47.80. So we've got some work again just to clean up, probably to come back here. This all needs to be cleaned up at some point. So now you're getting into the ping pong game, the game within the game, and this is really what we focus on here at the Market Profile Trading Academy, is what goes on not only short term but long term, and who and where the big money versus the small money lies.